Upgrading your straight refrigerator drain tube to a P-trap. First, unplug your refrigerator. Take both the freezer back wall and the panel on back of the refrigerator off. This is the part it called for. It's supposed to attach to the ceiling and hook into a D-clip on the drain tray. My refrigerator is an older model and doesn't have anywhere to attach it at the top or bottom. I have a straight tube coming out of the ceiling. The duckbill valve on the end of the tube clogs up and allows condensation to get into the system. Pull it off of the tube. Space to work is limited. You'll need to remove wires that are in the way. There's a clip that pops out with a straight screwdriver. Move it out of the way. Put that aside. Put a bowl under the hose. We're moving to the freezer to flush the drain system. First, I filled up a baster bottle with hot tap water. I poured it down the drain hole in the freezer. I checked the back of the fridge. Nothing. There's a blockage in the line. I need to heat the water up a bit. Let's try this again. That worked. The hot water flushed it out. I'm attaching a copper wire to the defrost line and putting one end into the drain hole. The heat transfer will help it from freezing up. Return to the back of the refrigerator. I had to cut the top off of the P-trap because I have the older model. I also had to cut off some of my drain hose to make room to slide the P-trap up onto it. After attaching, make sure to position the bottom of the P-trap over the center of the drain pan to avoid splash.